Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a Dollar Tree haul. This is the largest haul I have ever come out of the Dollar Tree with. We went to 2 of them and I was just blown away by all the spring and Easter decor that they had. They didn't have a ton, but they had exactly what I was looking for, so it felt like I really won. So even though I spent a lot of money at the Dollar Tree, I can't wait to use everything I got for crafts and fun DIYs coming up. Super excited about that. So I'm gonna jump right in with my haul and show you what I got. So they had yarn at this Dollar Tree. These Dollar Trees I didn't normally go to, but they had yarn, and I picked up some of this teal color. There's always so much stuff I see online that you can do with yarn, and I never have any, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I picked up 2 just in case one wasn't enough. But I just really like this teal color. I think it's really pretty. The next thing is this flowers and garden pot. I've seen a lot of people haul these in some other Dollar Tree hauls, but I love these. They had these last year too, and I think I picked a couple up, but really like these. So the next thing I grabbed was a bunch of floral and like greenery. I absolutely loved these. My mom picked up a bunch of these last year around this time, and they have all bunch of like different, these are like greenery bouquets. This one, oh, they're all greenery bouquets. But I love the way these look. They're so springy, and I think they're so like farmhouse color, like style. I really liked all of these. So I grabbed 4 of these. I grabbed a bunch of lavender. This is gonna be for a DIY coming up. I'm really excited about this one. I also grabbed a couple of fern leaves. I thought these are really cool. I really have an idea for these as well. And then I grabbed some of this onion grass. I bought a lot of this last year, and this is probably, these are one of my favorite things to decorate with. So I thought definitely need this. I also picked up 2 white picture frames. I really liked these because they were white and then I don't have to paint them. And then some Easter stuff that I seen were these cute little tinsel bunnies. I plan on doing a DIY with at least one of these. I don't know, these are really cute. I just loved the way these looked, so I thought these were just adorable. I also grabbed this sign that says celebrate everything, and I thought this was really cute too. This one also says celebrate everything. This is in an egg shape, and I thought this would make a really great DIY. I also found these 2 little bunnies. I really like these, and I think these would make a really great addition to the 3-tier tray this spring. I found these speckled eggs. These are just like plastic, but I really love the way these look. Even if you take them out of the plastic and rewrap them the way they came, I think these are just really cute. And you guys are probably gonna call me crazy on some stuff I bought, but I really do have ideas for them. I also grabbed 2 of these carrot jump rope and 2 of these Easter eggs. These are like metallic, and these were only 50 cents, so I'm wondering if they had these left over from last year and they just put them out again. I grabbed these little canvas paints for my girls. I think this would make a really great addition to an Easter basket too. So I grabbed these carrots. These have like twine around them. These are just the cutest. I grabbed 4 packs of these because you just never know. And then a little wreath. I know these aren't made the best. Oh my gosh, this is even like breaking. But I thought that I could do something really cool with this, possibly. I saw these vases. I've never seen little vases like this before, but I really liked the way these look. And then this is a couple of random things I came across when I was there. They had these soft lips chapsticks, and I know these range from like $3 to $4, and for 2 of them, these were only $1. They come in vanilla and a watermelon, so I thought that was a steal. I grabbed a few of those. And then I also found this got to be mousse. My husband uses mousse for his hair. I don't use it at all. I just grabbed one of these because I didn't really know if he'd like it, but I know that the got-to-be stuff at the store is really expensive. I also grabbed these coconut oil and sea salt facial wipes. I just started using ones that I already have, and these are the best makeup removers ever. I didn't see that you could use this for makeup remover, but this, I will swear by these, that this is the best makeup remover I have ever had, or these little wipes. They are amazing. And then for my sweet tooth, of course, I grabbed these trolley llamas. The lady, I always get the little octopus ones, and the lady there, she's like, we got llamas, and I'm like, yeah, I kind of need those too. So I grabbed those. I thought these would be a really cute Easter basket addition. These are just scented jot markers, and who doesn't love scented markers? Another thing I seen there was a ton of essential oils, and I don't really know about the essential oil, but from the back side of this, it's made with pretty decent oil. So I just grabbed one to try it out. This one is a Muscle Ease one, so I just grabbed that. And then Presley ended up sticking this in my cart, and I just bought it because why not, I guess, because we go through candles like crazy. This one is the sugar cookie latte, and I thought that was funny because it was from Christmas, but they had a ton. So I'm assuming that maybe they just had like a couple boxes in the back that they didn't get out, but it smells really amazing. And then for my super crazy succulent habit, I bought a ton of succulents because I know that I will use them eventually. But they had the pick ones. I absolutely just loved them. So I grabbed quite a few of those. They had these really fun ones. And then they had like this really cool looking one. And then these ones, I love the picks. I think these are like so cool. And I also plan on putting some of these in my 3-tier tray as well. And then these ones, I thought these just looked kind of sad, so I figured they needed me. Also, they have different succulents in the little pots. These ones were like really big, and I really liked that because I've never seen like really big ones. So I grabbed a few of those, and then they had a bunch of different kinds and colors, and I just had to get a few of everything because I know once these are gone, they are gone, because that's what happens every single year. So I grabbed enough that I think will be good for, like I said, all of my spring DIYs. And the last couple of things I grabbed, which these must have been for Christmas too, but these are like little troll blind bags. They had a ton of these. I picked up a couple, and then I plan on putting these in Easter baskets. So I thought that was a really fun idea. And then Presley, my almost 3-year-old, she loves little things she can hold in her hand to play with. She's not gonna choke on them, she doesn't put them in her mouth, but she really likes that stuff. And I also picked her up these little Shopkins. I thought these would be super fun. I think we have a couple of these, and she loves playing with all little things and setting them up, and it's just something she likes. All right, that is it for my big giant haul. I spent about $100, which is seriously insane, but I bet you guys spent $100 too. You just go in separate trips. So you go spend your $20 and your $30, and then you go spend $40, and then you find more and you go spend $10, and it's gonna equal $100. I just did it in one big shot. I haven't done a haul in a long time. I also haven't done a shop with me, so I thought I would do that as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and let me know if your Dollar Tree has their Easter or spring decor in, and if they don't, let me know what is on your wish list and what you really want. These eggs were on my wish list along with the little twine carrots. Those were definitely something that I really wanted. But that is it. All right, so I will see you in my next one. Bye.